Target stable at 4,000 feet, marking recovery coordinates now.
Confirmed. Sonar confirms structural integrity. Preparing the drone for deployment.
Sunrise on the Atlantic. The Argo Salvager, a titan of the deep ocean, begins a critical...
We have visual confirmation. She's clear.
Copy that.
All right, easy. Steady as she goes. Keep pulling on that starboard line.
I'm seeing significant degradation around the passenger side door sill. Copy that. The schematic shows...
All right, bring it down slow. Steady. Arms engaged. Set her down. All right, ease the tension slowly. Got it. Watch the front right. Steady now, almost there.
Watch closely as the oxidation transforms into a protective black layer right before your eyes. This stabilization is crucial before we apply the primer. We need to inspect this harness connection point. It looks corroded. Hold the dash steady while I check the ECM module clips. Using the hydraulic jack, we can safely disengage the transmission from the crossmember and prepare it for detailed assessment. Disconnecting the aged fuel system is a delicate process, especially with this level of marine salt oxidation.
All right, taking the slack now. Watch those mounts. All right, bring it up slowly. Watch the harnesses on your side. Coming up steady. Clearances look good.
We're seeing extensive marine contamination here, particularly the white residue around the valve springs and the wear on the timing chain.
Ease it down slowly. We're good on run out.
Confirmed. Preparing the main caps.
Okay, bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance on the manifold. Almost there. Hold it right there.